Hi, it's Zach, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Professional Manual Juicer by Farberware. This is a really great, convenient way to make fresh, all-natural juice whenever, wherever. It's way better than having to lug out an electric juicer, which has a cord, you need to plug it in somewhere. Plus, it takes up a whole lot less room than those electric juicers do. Now, let's see how this works by making some juice for ourselves. Now, the nice thing about this juicer is that it is super easy to set up. All you want to do is firmly place it on your countertop and lock it into place. So you might be thinking to yourself, this thing's really lightweight, is it gonna move around? No, it's not. Once you suction it down, it's not going anywhere and you can operate it very easily. Then you're gonna put the juice cup right in front of it. There's even a groove on here to show you how to line it up. Now the juice is gonna come in here and actually get sifted at the top there. And then you've got another cup which goes against this groove over here. And what this is gonna do is catch the rind that comes out of the front. Now this couldn't be any easier. And any good juice, of course, starts off with apple juice, my favorite. And we're gonna go ahead and use the pusher that comes included to feed this into the juicer. And as we go along here, we're just gonna put more and more stuff in. As you can see, the juice is already coming out. Super easy. It's not giving me any pushback at all. What I love about this is that it is all natural and we know exactly what is going into this juice. There's no extra added sugar in there like with those store-bought juices. So this is super healthy and it's gonna be super delicious. Throw in some pineapple, and this is great because it's gonna add a lot of sweetness. Now we're gonna add a little bit of spinach, which is gonna make this a little bit healthier. And this is really great because it's gonna be masked by all that fruit juice. So if you're someone who doesn't really like the taste of spinach, this is a perfect way to get those nutrients. Now we're gonna add blueberries in here for the antioxidants and that sweet blueberry flavor. Now look at this, no mess at all. You've got your cup of rind here. We're gonna go ahead and just remove the top sieve from the cup. We're gonna pour ourselves a nice glass of all natural, delicious juice. Look at that. Now let's give this a taste. Cheers. Oh man, that is good, fresh, delicious, and the best part is that cleaning this up afterward is an absolute breeze. All you have to do is use soap and water. You can actually add it right through the top here and crank it through to clean it. You can take everything apart for super easy cleaning. And we have a fantastic deal on this, and I know you're gonna get a ton of use out of it. You're gonna be juicing every day and eating healthier. So head on over to the site and grab yours today and start juicing.